So good morning student, this is my second video on pharmaceutical incompatibility. In incompatibility, there is physical incompatibility, there is a wrong form of the ingredient prescribed. What happens when we are prescribing or using the wrong form of your ingredient or your content? Sometimes alkaloid salts are to be dissolved in liquid petroleum. When we are dissolving the alkaloid salt in petrolatum leads to the result in failure to the dissolve, but substituting the alkaloid for the alkaloidal salt, complete solution takes place. If you want to prepare the liquid dosage form, you have to go and add alkaloid plus petrolactam leads to the there is a very good solubility preparation will be obtained. Because of choose of your salt, you choose of your alkaloid instead of alkaloidal salt, you have to use the alkaloid plain. Gelatinization. Solution of acacia is gelatinized by addition of ferric salt. When we are in the solution of acacia, get gelatinized or form a gel when you are going to adding the ferric salt in that. Collodion is also gelatinized by addition of your phenol. In collodion, when you are adding the phenol, leads to the formation of your gel, that is gel dosage form. The remedies for physical incompatibility. What are the remedy or how to overcome the physical incompatibility? By using omission of an unimportant ingredient of little therapeutic value. Those ingredients having little therapeutic value, that you have to omit, or that ingredient you have to not use in the formulation of your dosage form. Addition of inert ingredient to correct the difficulties. By choosing choosing the inert ingredient having the no drug to drug interaction, that types of ingredient you have to choose. Changing the order of mixing in the ingredient. While you are following the mixing order, that is A, B, C, D, you can be changed like A, C, D, B. Like this, you can be overcome the problem of physical incompatibility. Dispensing the ingredients separately. Most of all, for the observing that there is a overcome the physical incompatibility by separate formulation. Go for the separate formulation for either the combination formulation. You have to formulate your dosage form in your separate formulation, that is single content. Do not combination formulation should be avoided. Use of different types of same ingredient. You have to use the different types of forms of your ingredient, that is dihydrate, monohydrate, trihydrate. These are the forms you have to choose. Addition of ingredient which promote the solubility. By addition of, if you want to increase the solubility, you have to go for the addition of your solubility enhancer agent. By addition of solubility enhancer agent leads to the increase in solubility. Then we discuss chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility takes place when ingredient in the prescription under the chemical reaction and the original composition of formulation is altered. When you are formulating or two or more combination of your ingredient, that leads there is a formation of chemical reaction. It may be the oxidation reaction, it may be the reduction reaction, and that leads to the formulation alter the physical chemical change. Because of this, there is a alteration of your formulation was found. Chemical incompatibility are generally caused by pH change, double decomposition, reaction, or complex formation. But this incompatibility occur because of addition of your two ingredients. There is a change in pH of your solution. There is a double decomposition, increase the decomposition of your chemical, and there is a formation of complex, that is metal complex, leads to the decrease in solubility, or there is a chemical reaction, there is a formation of complex structure. Various types of chemical changes that occur in these types of incompatibility include oxidation, hydrolysis, polymerization, isomerization, decarboxylation, absorption of carbon dioxide, combination and formation of insoluble complex. These are the various types of reaction takes place in your dosage form or your formulating leads to the chemical incompatibility. In the prescription, under the chemical reaction, and original composition of formulation is altered. Example of chemical incompatibility: formation of precipitation. There is a formation of precipitation. The more of important precipitation formation is among the more important case of incompatibility. Formation of an insoluble salt. Formation of partial insoluble or organic salts such as a tannate or iron, mononate, meconate of lead when opium preparation are combined with lead solution, and the production of insoluble blood red iron salicylate. Production of insoluble blood red iron salicylate when iron preparation are combined with salicylate. There is a formation of blood red iron salicylate when your combination with your salicylate. Formation of insoluble bodies when synthetic organic chemicals are combined with certain reagent. When you are formulating the insoluble bodies, synthetic or organic chemicals combined with your certain reagent leads to the chemical incompatibility. An example of this, the formation of green crystal of isonitrate, isonitroso, antipyrine when antipyrine is treated with spirit of nitrous ether. What happens when we are combining or preparing, there is a, and this formation of green crystal was observed, isonitroso, antipyrine combination, there is antipyrine is treated with spirit of nitrous ether, leads to the formation of your green crystal was observed. Then evolution of gas. Mixing of acid and carbonate of bicarbonate should be compounded in open container to avoid explosion. When you are combining the carbonate plus bicarbonate, that leads to the evolution of gas. For overcome this incompatibility, should be compounded in open container to avoid the explosion. Color changes. Color changes brought about by the chemical reaction or formation of new substance. There is a chemical reaction will be takes place, and there is a products was found, there is a change in color. It means that there is A plus B is equal to C. That is, C is your different product and having different color. Because of there is a chemical reaction occur and leads to the chemical reaction has the change in color. Production of explosion. Explosion occur when the strong oxidizing agent is mixed but trituration with reducing substance or organic material. Why production explosion is occur when you are triturated the strong oxidizing agent with the help of an addition of your reducing agent. Explosions are produced by the sudden evolution of gases, and all substances liable to produce the such gases. Evolution on trituration must be handled with utmost caution, and this phenomena should be handled with cautiously by very cautiously for the liberation, overcome the problem of liberation of your gas. Then cementization of ingredient. In some cases, all or part of ingredient of an prescription may set into the mass cement-like hardness. It form a mass cement-like formation because of there is a combination. Separation of immiscible liquid when organic chemical decompose by certain reagents such as a decomposition of chlorine by action of an alkali into chloroform. If you want to overcome the cementization, we are taking the example, in that case there is a immiscible liquid when organic chemical decomposed by certain reagent such as a decomposition of chlorine by action of alkali into the chloroform to overcome the problem of cementization. There is a pH effect. Modern drugs are often salt of weak acid and weak base. Salt are usually soluble in water, while free bases are practically insoluble. Consequently, if a solution of salt of weak acid is acidified, the free weak acid may be precipitated out because of pH change. Similarly, if a solution of salt of weak base is made alkaline, then free weak base may be precipitated out. Precipitation occur or not depend on the solubility of the unionized acid or base or the pH of solution or dissociation constant of the acid base. These are the example for pH effect. Remedies for chemical incompatibility. How to overcome the problem of chemical incompatibility? By preventing the precipitation by addition of glycerin, syrup or honey to incompatible ingredient before mixing as the following prescription. By following prescription by addition of your glycerin, syrup or honey to increase the viscosity or overcome the problem of your chemical incompatibility. If iodine is added directly to the oil or turpentine, a violet reaction takes place. When we are adding the iodine indirectly into the oil of turpentine, leads to the violet reaction takes place. Much heat is evolved, that is mixture may be even catch fire. It may be catch the fire. However, if the iodine is first diluted by dissolving in alcohol and addition of gradually to oil of turpentine, if you want to prepare this solution, firstly you have to dissolve your iodine in alcohol, then gradually add this iodine in your turpentine oil. The reason will be very much moderate, although some heat may be developed. The mixing is perfectly done in the open, and this mixing should be done into your open container, and it leads to there is overcome the problem of incompatibility. How zinc sulfate solution when first compound is clear, but sooner or later there is occur in precipitation. When firstly zinc sulfate solution was prepared, its compound is clear, but after some time it gave the precipitation of slightly soluble basic zinc borate, which is the objectionable for the eye application. When we are adding the zinc borate, which is objectionable to your eyes, by replacing sodium borate with boric acid, precipitation can be avoided. If you are adding the boric acid in your zinc sulfate solution, leads to overcome the problem of chemical incompatibility. Then we discuss therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility is the modification of therapeutic effect of drug by the prior concomitant administration of other. When you are combining or when you are prescribing two drugs in your one formulation, it has a separate action, but while the combination there is a irrational combination, leads to the decrease or increase the action of each other. They are increase or decrease the action of each other. It may be the increase or it may be decrease because of irrational. It is also called as a interaction. This occurs when drugs and excipients which are antagonized to one another are prescribed together. Because antagonist means they are mimic the action of they have the one has action is to reduce the pain and one has action to increase the pain. It means that there is a antagonism. They are having the opposite action of to each other. Such a circumstances seldom occur in hospital. This condition was found in your hospital. The drug may have been used together for one drug to modify the activity of other drug. We are combining or we are prescribing the drug which has the property to overcome the property of another drug by the combination formulation. Then mechanism of therapeutic incompatibility. Therapeutic incompatibility, there is two types of mechanism involved. Pharmacokinetic. This mechanism is related with effect of one drug on another drug that affect in absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. When you are combining two drugs within one dosage form, that leads to the alter the action of that is ADME. It is nothing but alter the action of absorption, distribution, metabolism and elimination. This come under the pharmacokinetic therapeutic incompatibility. Pharmacodynamic, this mechanism related to pharmacological activity of interaction drugs such as a synergism, antagonism, cellular transportation and effect on the receptor site. These are the four parameters. By four parameters, this pharmacokinetic incompatibility occur because of synergistic